phase changes, specifically the physical changes in solid, liquid, and gas. So this is based on the pivot leaf for Science 8, Quarter 3, Week 4, Part 1, Day 1. So our most essential learning competency for this week is the same as last week's. Explain physical changes in terms of the arrangement and motion of atoms and molecules. So before that, we will have a review. So first, last week we have studied about the different phase changes that take place in water. So the first one, from liquid, so this is the arrangement of liquid particles, and this one is solid. So liquid to solid is, yes, correct, that is freezing. How about letter B? From liquid to gas, you're right, it's vaporization or evaporation. Letter C, from solid to liquid, yes, it's melting. And letter D, from liquid to from gas to liquid, it is, yes, it's condensation. Okay, let me read the introduction. From the previous lesson, you have learned that when heat is added to a solid, its temperature rises. This causes the particles to vibrate rapidly, and the melting point of the solid is reached and the solid melts. When an object absorbs heat, there is a corresponding increase in temperature. On the other hand, if heat is added, liquid particles move faster and additional heat results in the transformation of liquid into gas. At this point, temperature is reached at which vapor pressure of a liquid equals the external pressure surrounding the liquids is called boiling point. Moreover, a reverse process also happens when liquid turns into a solid. In this process, heat is removed from liquid. The temperature wherein a liquid solidifies is called freezing point. Some molecules of water have enough kinetic energy to overcome the attraction of neighboring molecules and escape from the surface of the liquid and eventually move into the air. To break away from the surface of the liquid, the molecules must have at least some minimum kinetic energy. The process by which the molecules on the surface of a liquid break away and change into gas is called evaporation. Usually, it is described as the process where a liquid is changed into gas. Changes in physical state from solid to liquid and to gas is, or vice versa, are common. However, some substances change from solid to gas without passing through the liquid state. This change is called sublimation. Examples of substances that undergo this kind of changes are dry ice, mothballs or alcamphor, toilet bowl deodorizer, and car deodorizer. So for learning task number 1, kindly answer the following. The following are examples of physical change except which of the following correctly describes how heat behaves? A physical change will create when a solid reaches the temperature of its blank, it can become a liquid. Condensation involves a change of state from blank to blank. Thank you. Please watch part 2.